Welcome to Little Paws of Iowa. Here we have Paris and Henri's litter of F1b mini Goldendoodles. These puppies were born on March 24 and will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on May 19. We expect these puppies to weigh 18 to 25 pounds when they're full grown. We will put their current individual weights by their updated 5-week pictures on the website too. These puppies are all fairly similar in size right now, but we will point out the largest and the smallest puppy. We'll start by going through the males, and then we'll go over the females. Here in the gray collar, we have Prince, the first male. He has a dark, solid apricot coat. Here in the tan collar is our second male, Peanut. He has a lighter colored apricot coat. And here in the green collar is our third male, Parker. He has a dark apricot coat and is the largest puppy of this litter. He has a small white marking on his chin, too. Now for the females. Here in the leopard collar is Poppy, our first female. She has a dark apricot coat with some white markings on her face. She seems like a very outgoing puppy right now. Here in the red collar is Piper, our second female. She has a dark, quite curly coat right now, and she is the smallest puppy of this litter. Here in the yellow collar is our third female, Paisley. She has a dark, curly apricot coat. She is the largest of the females, by just a bit. Here in the silver collar is our fourth female, Pixie. She has a dark apricot coat with some white markings on her chin and on her chest. And lastly, in the pink collar, is our fifth female, Phoebe. She has a dark apricot coat with a small white marking on her chin. And that is Paris and Henri's litter of F1b mini Goldendoodles. Again, they will be 8 weeks old and ready for homes on May 19. Go to our website, littlepawsiowa.com, for more information. Be sure to check out their updated 5-week pictures too.